Welcome back to our channel. So today we will be trying the new Boya wireless mic. We have two mics. Okay.
Hi, good afternoon.
What can you say about the recent volcanic eruption?
It's very foggy today in Miagao and yun lang. It's very foggy.
We would like to welcome our guest speaker for
What can
today.
you say? How are
Ay,
you?
kaniga record ko mo.
All right.
Bye!
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying the Boyam wireless mic which will be used for the reels here at PGC Visayas.
So, kayo birthday is diba? August 30? Boss na lang ang 30. Thing one.
The fuck? Hey Dudu.
Kilanan ko mag-brand ko Tint Agar.
Wow.
Very closely related to a known pathogen of carrots.
And determine the involvement of fetus cells. Sa mo ni yung
each other, and a wave of fatal virus affecting maybe a plantation of
Si Kuya.
Hindi, nagpanawag sa kay Frenchie.
Sino ba yung magasgasan? Kuya, minsan.
Yoo-hoo!
Gaga.
Today is June 3. Ay, buto! Ba yan? Flores de Mayo. Ay, de. Ay, buto. Sige, kita naka-video ko. De, kita ta ka mo. May parade mo, Roy. Ay, tapos na. Oh, may kano. Wow, Mingo! Oh! It's not over tonight. Karang sinong eh. Salam. Ha? Mas... Ha? It's a prank? Ha? Din nga dalo. Sa stockroom? Ah, okay. Tuloy lang. Uy! Para ko sa stockroom?
Nagsulod ko sa labo.
Stockroom la? Ato na itong lasa nung eh. Ay, di po. Naka-lipstick si Madam. Happy June. Isa prank gago nung eh. Nag-report pizza.
Seryoso?
Oo. Katuan to sa... Today is June 4. I'm vlogging because this will be butang and vlog for the June 2024.
Tapos wala siya ganit.
Ay, siya! Balaan mo kung di sinong A?
Stockroom.
Balaan na eh. Dahil wala tamo kabalo dahil. Nung A, pa na ako. Sa gamba, ay, nasa digale. Morning, sir. No! Ari ka, di gali! No, kamusta? Diyan ka galing, wag ko kabalo. Wow! Okay ka na, nga nag-report ka.
Tinignan ko lang, nainit ako sa bahay.
It's been a long time.
Tal? Lago pala ka mo kay Tal lang kay.
Oo.
Pero balaan yun. It's been 1 month. It's been 1 month.
That's good. Yay!
Napagkamalan nilang daan yung ano ko.
Nang doa ngay kanimo naman do may mga gala.
May mga... What's that? Where's it from?
I don't know, but it's strawberry.
Wow.
I love strawberries.
What can you say about today's weather?
Confusing.
Depressing.
Depressing.
Wanna sleep?
Wanna sleep forever.
Okay. Uy!
No, joke lang.
Bago lang kami tapos ka. Hindi rin kami CUB. Binaga kami. It's 11:41 a.m.
Okay, ma-coffee ko dahil dyan. At dahil dyan, hindi ko na kaya.
Uy!
Ano na lang eh.
Sakto na. Say hi to the vlog. Bad trip. Justin, anong masasabi mo sa pagbabalik din ng Eng? Yes?
Welcome back ng
Wee! Nung A is back and we are not informed.
Isang araw.
Ah,
Happy to see that you
Yeah.
are
yeah, welcome back.
very, very strong.
Yeah.
Nilagay sila pala sa alang-alang.
Tugtog The fuck? Amo na nang iba. Ang iba niyo gani. Hala, Doc Nanay, hello. Hi, Mayor, hello. Have fun, girl. Sana all.
Mga teachers. Cute, cute.
Sana
Hello,
all.
that's taxpayers' money.
Hindi galing tabi teacher.
Imagine, 20k na yung multiply na pero
Oh,
mas kadaya.
dayaon.
Video ko.
Sabi ko kung ano. Una, nakuan lang ko na syokit lang ko nga una-una. Ito si tatay, kag si nanay. De, ano ni madjas kami, de.
E-bike society. Pa-U-turn na lang.
Live po tayo ngayon dito sa UBB Miag. Anong masasabi mo sa weather?
Thank you. Dira lang, anay. Makaon pa kami. Okay, fine. Bye!
Today is June 5
Lingaw, kagitin ng siya.
and we will be eating together. Ay! Oo.
Why so this cat? Ayun, may ako no? Ay, habi ko mo po sa akin lang.
Sabi ko man.
Abi lang gali natin.
Anong masasabi niyo sa weather?
It's paang.
It's paang. Hi, ma'am. Sama-sama tayo.
Ito yung mga tanan.
Salamat, taton. I know, good afternoon, morning. Hindi ko.
Gina!
Hoy, manyaga, kuya.
Kung gani, makapi.
Boom, 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 manay. Thank you, sir.
Sinasabi namin
Nagbablog kasi ako.
si Madjo ko sa dati.
Anong masasabi nyo? Amo na si sir. Amo to. Ako mo video sa inyo. Tani.
Balaan niya na. Pingan. Pero ginay na isa.
Tata. Go. Gisaron tago po dahil. Oo.
Kami katulad mag
Oo.
Dito ka mo magkadugay ka mo yung sa pier. Dayan naman doon pa tayo gutom tao.
Ano nga Tina, Jazz?
Titi.
Good answer. Masainom na.
Pasok sa banga.
Even you ay yaliog.
Yak, lente niya.
Wala akong kinagat sa
Dahil ang ikot na kaluwa yung ba't yan yung mga bad words?
damo na sa nakaon. Gagi. Hey, pa.
Ay, yan yung mga cruelty. So, tinda.
Tapos niya kaon.
Kasi butang niya sa cotton dye.
Amo na gani.
Kasi ipa pro brown niya man. Encoder.
Cute. Ikaw heta ako.
Ako ka naka.
Magambal kasi na sa'yo.
Itong pause na.
Ang pantalon na dahil. Please close the door.
Okay.
Uy, ay ate ko ganit cookies. Cookies.
Look at me. Unboxing na lang po. Today is June 7. Pag wala nag-abot, it's 3:36 p.m. I can feel the boya. Unsealed. Upon receiving, may buo siya gamay. Jasmine is my witness. Kaloy, kay Manong. Halimpas ako na sa umati, hiya man kung magbais. Kabay pa buya ni. Mabatian nyo na. Ang bato ni maybe ko. Hindi man siya bato, guys. Yay! Gaga, ano itong sound? Oh my God, ma-vlog na gid kita. Toy. Bao timing ka giday?
Oo, yun ang pagshot mo. Salam.
Legit, legit. 2,140 pesos. It's 2 mics and 1 receiver in a shade of black. Thank you, Shopee.
The expected size when you get that done
Children, many children as Father Abraham. Bye! Bye, Nang E. Today is June 7 and we just landed here at Iloilo International Airport. We will be going back. Yeah, we just landed. Hold up to. Ay! Bakla! Hello! Welcome back to my vlog. Ano pa yung binibili mo? Talaga na.
po ako. Uy,
we can the microbial communities sa water kan para makita din kung ano nga communities present sa corals mismo kaya kasi contaminant lang siya sa water, like for example yung bacteria, so yung E. coli, yung mga salmonella, they are also proteobacteria na like
B. Okay.
Kung ano yung baka ewan pa niya.
Nanti. Tugaga! Oh my God! Uy! Nita mag-meeting with ng Carmen, may dapat kang malaman! May food sa ata, pero hindi ko sure kung malakas.
Wala sa Madrid.
Ara sa to. Kasi may... Gayag ba pa ganito? Ang ba?
Padala na lang kami sa Hi, Carl.
Pangita sila sa substitute na...
Gani, wala pa kapon.
hello, good afternoon. Makita niyo yung may pasabog. Ano pasabog niya, girl?
Ano?
Free cap, saan ako malakad?
Dahil sa 29 na? Tugaga.
Nalakat na siya yung nauna ko sa endorsement. Oo, Carmen.
Si Ed.
Jory, ang boss ko.
Ay, oo nga. Kung wala ka pa kapalit.
Wala ka nga, pangita mo.
Hindi ko pa.
Ano, Bisaya ka, ma'am?
Ay.
Endorse ko gali. Ako sabog ko endorse ko siya.
Wala pa to. Okay.
Siya ang endorsement ko.
The last day mo sa ano na.
29.
Ina-document ang food ni ng Dayan.
Hindi siya magulosin mo.
Ha?
Siya ang endorse ko.
Siya na ang
Damo ko endorsement. Ang magulosin mo. Wala pa.
magulo sa CRA, corona.
Ano, Bisaya ka, ma'am?
Hindi ko pa.
Ano, Bisaya ka, ma'am?
Hindi ko pa.
Ano, Bisaya ka, ma'am? 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 Ano, Bisaya ka,
Ariyo, gakaon.
For the meantime, request na yung UR. Kaya para kasunod na siya.
Kayo pa din, no?
Ito gay pa na tayo. For a long time, may URA pa siya na as before
Congrats,
mag-UR.
congrats.
No. Last my position na. That's
Naaman na rin tayo.
Pero,
For the meantime,
pregnant.
Oh my God! Congratulations!
May mass wedding next year.
Mas wedding na magaganap.
I-invite ko, i-inform ko ahead para mga...
Schedule niya. Schedule. I-schedule na. Unahon na schedule ni Dahil.
Naka-event po sa June.
Diba? Ito tamo ganap. Nakita ko si mong short ka na.
Pwede na tabo. Sa high? Atang sa high?
Ang iya nga, unforgettable na post. Sabi Jason. Kadabo na tingala nga man unforgettable. Kaya ka normal lang. Kahit niya mo. Wait lang. Nag-reels kami dahil may pakulo si Kuya mo.
Aging plano niya man.
Lalo niya man, kung nabi mo, bra kami content. Nga ko na agad. Tanong ako nung bakit yung mga bunjing ka. Ah! Wow! Pakuno-kuno lang ko nabi. Pero may hunch na ako. Wala lang kuya kabalga expect need kang kung diin. Di siya ma-propose. Iba tiyon na ito. Matiyon ka to sa
Oh my God!
Naginis ko,
Ang balaan ni pa.
Nagiribi, kuya. Naglahod man ko. Ubo.
Ano ba sa malang? Ipiyak ka.
Sa ano?
Ang malang sa kilit. Iba yung
Dahil,
malang.
mo naggali, naging hinulat, di siya galit niya.
Dahil hindi ko daw kita. O, nag-record na. Welcome back to another episode of our Chika Chika. And I'm here with Dayan. Dayan, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Are you excited for the upcoming reels we'll be making next week?
I am.
All right. I can smell victory. Today is June 7. And ito mo ka vlog ta. Compilation for June. Uy! OMG! Naka-pacing ang shit. Ano? 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 Hey, what's up, dogs? Ay, di ko gagid. Uy! Mr. Cake. Look at these kids here in my vicinity. The fuck? Puta lapsik.
2 years.
Attorney, ano na siya?
Tag-50 lang.
Uy!
Wait ba, mga taga-lunok ta.
Uy, ano lunok?
Sa lunok daw, bala tag-50 lang na. Inhale tapos una.
Strawberry and raspberry smoothie. You guys. Dawn to the Echo and ECG here at TMC.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Yo!
Damn, you know, all the planes we flew, good things and understanding right. Talking to you, found another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there on my side. And now you're gonna do me for the last without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Hindi mo maalala.
Your Honor, sorry po talaga. Hindi ko na po talaga gusto na sabihin na wala akong alam. Pero wala po talaga akong alam.
Best by any community. It also includes, I think, very importantly, the habits and the disposition.
Bachelor's and master's degrees from UP Los Baños and completed his doctorate through a Marie Curie Fellowship in Europe. He furthered his research.
Basically, a training that worked for doctoral students, for them to be trained in the area of virus metagenomics, characterization, and also, and it's so that it happens that the pandemic started during the start of our PhD, so it's very timely that we actually were trained in those aspects. The life. So for this lecture, that
It can be in our environment, in plants, and most especially in humans. So I know many of us are wondering how defeat this disease because it's already affecting annual crops, millions of tons, I think, of annual crops of this.
patients, that's where the higher risk is. In terms of developing, I will just continue with the genetic resistance because
would be hospital-acquired diseases. And thinking about, if you look at, for example, from the top na, at tinitignan natin when it comes to plants, is yung agro-ecosystems or yung boundaries between your farms and then the wild. In terms of biosurveillance, would you think that there would be trainees? They're not actually medical practitioners as well, but they were coming from different fields like fisheries, biology, and